Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while. In my last video I told you guys that I was waiting on something that was gonna be perfect with my Gucci A sneakers, and I got it last week, and I haven't opened it to show you guys, so here goes. This is part of my birthday gift. So this is a true unboxing, and it's from Fashionphile, as you can see. Alright, and I'm sweating. Sorry guys, I'm like gonna go work out after this video, but I figured I'd do this video quickly before I go. So this is a thank you card from Fashionphile. And this is a card that has the receipts, and you have your confetti. Alright. So here's the receipt, certificate. We want this bag back, cash for your bag, shop so repeat, few cards that comes in with the receipt, right? And all right, to the side, and here it is. And it's a little crazy because I had bought this bag a little while back before I got the Louis Vuitton Geronimo that I was going to use for vacation. And I got this bag in black. I don't know if you guys... But I don't know, I didn't like it, so I returned it. And here I am purchasing it again in another color, but we'll see.